Hey guys, welcome back to Double K. Today I'll be showing you how to do a leg mount. So let's go.
So first of all, what you want to do is stretch out your legs to make sure you don't pull a muscle. So place your legs shoulder width apart and lean over to one leg. Make sure you keep your knees completely straight. Then switch legs and hold. Then lean your hands into the center and hold. Then go into a pike position and lean forward. Try to pull your hands past your legs to stretch out your legs as much as possible. Then slide into straddle or side splits and lean over to one side, making sure that your knees are stretched and your feet are pointed, trying to reach your arm beyond your leg. Then lean over to the other side and hold. Next, go into a butterfly position and grab the heel of one of your legs before pulling it up to imitate a leg mount motion, trying to pull your leg as high up as possible. Then let go of your leg and pulse it. Try not to drop your leg and keep it up. Engage your muscle to help keep your leg up. Then switch your legs and repeat the same stretch. Now what you're going to do are some side kicks which will help you in your leg mount. So lay on the side and do 10 kicks trying to get your leg up and behind your head. Next, grab your leg with your corresponding arm and pull it towards you. Then grab onto your leg with the opposite arm and hold, pulling your leg behind your head. Next, we're going to alternate legs and repeat the same thing. Next, you're going to do some kicks, but this time standing up. Feel free to hold on to something for support and try to lift your leg using the strength in your leg as well as momentum. Then grab your leg and pull it up towards you, making sure that your back is straight and your knee is stretched. You can let go and bring your other hand over the top to pull your leg further. Now we're going to be repeating the same thing but on the other leg. So next we're going to just stretch out our legs a little bit further, so find an elevated surface and put one of your legs out to the side and onto it. Then lean over towards your leg. If that's too easy, find a higher elevated surface and repeat the same thing. Make sure to do the stretch on both of your legs. So now we're going to try the actual leg mount. So grab under your leg as shown and pull it all the way up. When grabbing your leg, bend your knee and straighten it as you pull it up. Hold on to keep your balance. Then try to do the same thing on the other leg. Here's a quick demonstration of how you need to grab your leg. As you can see, you're going under the heel before you pull your leg up, as shown. So the next method you can try is to just grab your heel from the front before pulling your leg up. And the third and final method is to kick your leg up and grab it already in the position as shown. This is a little bit of an advanced method and requires some practice. A further progression of that would be to grab your leg using your elbow. So now we are going to attempt to do the leg mount without holding on to anything. First is the grabbing under the leg method. Now the method which involves grabbing the front of the heel. Then the kick and grab method. And finally, the elbow grabbing method.
Thank you for watching this week's video. If you liked it, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, comment down below what you would like to see next.